Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we didn't do the treatment part of this, so I'm going to show you how we do the treatment on him. Not treating him for his hiatal hernia or acid reflux, but treating the biomechanical condition of the spine and the rib cage. Okay, so let's put your arms to your sides for me there, E, and flex your head forward and back, M. I feel like in 007 movie when I call him M. People are telling me I need to get some new lines, Joseph, so I'll get some new lines. I'll be 007. There's M. Who are you?
Mo.
Mo.
Yeah, I'll be Mo.
I'm not sure who Mo is. Okay, good deal. All right. I was gonna say something about Renee, but that one of the earlier Bond movies, sitting on your back there.
Oh, we're gonna do
Remember
this?
one of the characters? Yeah, I'm gonna do this one today.
Okay. Oh man.
He's like, I'm not ready.
So, yeah. Now I've done the decompression on him without the pins yesterday. Slide up over underneath that a little bit. There you
I'm
go.
not gonna like this.
And down just a little bit.
Just
Slide down. There you go.
don't make it too tight.
Okay.
Okay, that's.
Yeah, better.
I'm not really looking forward to this.
Okay.
I'll be honest.
So he's not really looking forward to this part because of the pins.
Can we skip this?
Tell you what, I'll do them without the pins. How's that?
Okay.
Is that better for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you could do them with the pins if it's better, but.
Really?
I don't really
Okay,
like
make
this.
up your mind. Pins or no pins?
No pins. No pins.
Okay.
No pins.
There we go. Alright, nice deep breath through your nose. There we go.
Oh wow.
Yep. How far down did you feel, Daniel?
Here.
Okay, good.
That's good.
Yep. That's where you're supposed to. Go ahead and lay your head back. You always want to keep your head back. People with acid reflux and hiatal hernia that have their head forward like, forward like this, see, that's going to pull the stomach up through there and make it worse. Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Okay, I got you. That's it. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to come over here on your tummy. Yeah. It doesn't like the pins because they kind of hurt the top of his iliac crest.
Which that does on everyone.
Which, once you get used to it, it doesn't really hurt that much. But he's here for a short period of time, so we've been doing it. We've been doing it on him every day, so a little bit sore twice a day. So if you notice here, I am evaluating the biomechanical condition of his spine and pelvis. His right leg was short by 1/2 inch, got even. That tells me his right SI joint's off right there. There we go. There we go. Yeah, M's diagnosis is all subluxations in throughout the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine, and the rib cage. I did not diagnose him with hiatal hernia or acid reflux. The medical doctor did, which is how all of our patients who come in here that have that have been diagnosed. There we go. Good. Okay, just hang on 1 second here. Now see, his legs are exactly even now, and this should feel smoother than the first time. Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can turn on your back.
Okay.
Now see, his head was forward, which aggravates that stomach being pulled up. So we're going to increase the biomechanical alignment of his spine. We're going to pull his head up and backwards on the x-axis, putting his head over his shoulders, and then slide down this way a little bit and put your arms straight out to the sides. And now I'm adjusting his shoulders, AC joints, the sternoclavicular joints, and the anterior costosternal joints, which his right rib cage, when he first came in, was about an inch lower than his left rib cage. So you notice when I'm adjusting his left rib cage at the sternum, I'm bringing that laterally and superiorly. And now, look at the difference in his rib cage. It's exactly even at this point. This is only his 5th treatment, so that's why his diaphragm's strengthening up. Okay, relax your hands right there. Take a deep breath in. Now I'm not on the organ here, I'm on the, okay, relax your out. I'm on the abdominal muscle fascia, and I'm just pulling that down, which does help relieve some of the symptoms of acid reflux patients. We're not promising a cure or long-term fix, but if people keep doing their exercises properly and watching their biomechanical position and getting adjusted, follow-up adjustments wherever they go back home, they have a better chance of maintaining a better biomechanical position in their spine and their nervous system's functioning better. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay, let's sit hip face towards Joseph.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Crack addict's gonna love you, him.
Really?
Yeah. You know he's all over. Alrighty, good. Okay, let's come over here and stand in front of the mirror. And I'm gonna have you flex your head forward and then backwards.
Okay.
In neutral. Yep, right down the middle. A little bit to the right today. So hold those up and back first.
Okay, okay.
And then we're gonna come straight back and then translate. Look up for me. A little tap there. A little tap there. Good. Okay. Now let's try that same thing again. Relax your hands. See, he holds his hands out in front of him a lot, and that's a bad thing because that pulls his ribs further in too. So you're better off holding your hands behind you. See what that does for you?
Yeah. Can you do that again?
Yeah, a lot of people do this, and that actually crunches your ribs forward on top of your sternum.
Mhm.
So, show them your exercise that I showed you.
Okay, it's basically like this. 15 repetitions.
You pull your shoulders up,
Okay.
back, head straight back, translate left, shift your pelvis right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do it again. Lift up, pull back, flare these back, bring your head straight back, translate to the left, and shift your pelvis to the right. Yep.
Okay.
15 reps 3 times a day.
Yeah.
And then Joseph's going to video him showing you what he does and the exercises that Joseph showed him. How's your tummy feel right now on acid?
Pretty good.
Do you feel it at all?
No, I don't feel it at all.
Okay. And how's your mid-back pain and rib pain?
I don't have any rib pain.
Okay.
My back's a little sore.
A little sore
Yeah.
from the adjustments. That's normal. Breathing difficulty?
It's better. No, it's better.
0? Good.
Yeah.
Anything new or different going on besides sore and better? And that's what you should be feeling
Yeah,
at this
no,
stage?
No, nothing.
Good. So we appreciate the opportunity to explain what we're doing to you with the patients who come in here who have already been diagnosed by their medical doctor as having hiatal hernia and acid reflux or GERD symptoms, and how we treat patients for their biomechanical condition which can influence how the acid reflux patients experience symptoms, and it helps sometimes reduce those symptoms, but we're not treating acid reflux / hiatal hernia or GERD. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.